Hello, hello, my friends. Welcome back to the craft room. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me today. I am showing you my next week of coffin-shaped tags for the October Oddities collab. We are having fun. I have loved seeing everyone's tags on the Facebook groups and in the videos that all the collaborators are sharing. Excellent. I just love them. There's so many styles. It's very inspiring. So if you haven't checked it out yet, please go to Crafty Dragon Creations on Facebook and Lottie's Magic Attic. It's hosted in both groups. There's freebies, giveaways, prizes, all kinds of stuff. So, on to the show. I'm going to show you the progress I did in my little Junior Mints journal. So I've got my signatures collated, papers folded. I've got some trims on the edge of some of the pages, and this is definitely going to be an alligator mouth journal because it already is, and I don't even have the tags in it yet. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to sew a little scrappy tie to put around it. So I think that'll be really cute. It's going to be fun to have this for journaling in, though. There's a lot of space in there. I've got some, let's see, I'll show you some cardstock, the kit pages from Crafty Dragon Creations. I've got music paper, some kids line paper for handwriting. And then I've got this. This is really cute. I found this notepad at, I don't know, Tuesday morning. Not Tuesday morning, they're closed. Not TJ Maxx. So one of those, Home Goods, something. Anyway, they had this notepad, and this is like 10-inch long paper. Isn't that cute? I just loved it. So I picked it up, and I took two of the notepads, and I flipped one over onto the back, because they're white on the back. And then I sewed them together, so I thought that was really fun. That makes a nice, cute flip page. I've got some Dollar Tree bag pages, that one and this one, and then another scrapbook piece in the center of each signature. So it's going to be two little signatures, and I'm hoping by the time I get to the next video, I'll have it done. So we'll see the journal come together as we see the tags. It seems like a good way to go. It's very equitable. I like it. Okay, we'll put that over there so you can see that. Isn't that cute? Okay, so we are doing day 9 through 15 today. So day 9 is Spider, and I found these cool rings at Dollar Tree, and I clipped off the ring part on the back, and I used some of the dictionary page looking backing paper, and I hand drew on some spider webs, and then I put some string underneath there for silk, and then glued these two little guys on. Isn't that cute? I love it. It's very dimensional and fun. And then day 10 is spider web. Here we go. I'm going to have a little cough here. Hold on. You know I got to get one a video. So for spider web, I did this little beep boop, little eyelet that swings open. It does say spider web under there, but you got to kind of look. It's kind of tight. I had this tag in my stash from other scrapbook paper, and these little Julie spiders. I don't know where I got them from. This looks like maybe Michael's. Nope, it says Hobby Lobby on it. Okay, so I got these at Hobby Lobby apparently. But aren't those cute little spiders? So cute. Okay, and then day 11 was candy corn. So we got a little monster enjoying his candy corn, and some stickers, a little die cut I had, and then this is a raised sticker, and I put some cool green cardstock on the back. He's adorable. So that was day 11. Day 12 is Ghost. Look at him. I found some stickers with googly eyes. And a nice glittery boo. And I made him into a paper clip, so we can just clip him on a page. And then you can write on the back as well. Isn't that cute? I love it. I keep saying cute, but they are cute. I can't help it. Let's see. 13 is Spooky Tree. I had to dig deep for this one. So I've got a little coffin shape, and I made it It's closed with a tiny little paper clip. I've got a tombstone, and here's our spooky tree with some bats. These are all rub-ons that I found in my stash. And then this actually opens up, so you can write inside. I really thought that was cute, like a real coffin. Opens up. Although most of the time you don't want them to open up, but you know, hey. There we go. There's spooky tree for day 13. Day 14 was candy. So again, more of the backing papers. This is a piece of a bag from Dollar Tree for the back. And then I found some different stickers in my stash, some puffy ones. And then this is like a popped up sticker and some cute ribbon with some candy on it. Love it. And day 15, the last one, is Frankenstein. Isn't Frank so cute? So this came from Tracy's kit from Lottie's Magic Attic. And then this cutout was in my stash, and I had this label in this color as well, so I just named him Frank N. Stein. The N, I believe, is for Norbert, Frank Norbert Stein, but he doesn't like that name, so we just do that. And then I put some of the candy ribbon on top for a little pull tab. All right, so that's this week's October Oddities collab video. I hope you'll come back next week, where I hope to have the journal ready and all of these tags in here so we can show you week 4 still formulating those tags. So please come back and join me. Please give some love to the other collaborators. I've got a link tree down below where you can find their channels. There's some people that are just posting on Facebook, some that are on Instagram. I don't know, I don't do all that, but I just do Facebook and YouTube, but I digress. Okay. So give everybody some love, and I hope you enjoyed this, and come back and see me for week 4, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.